Welcome to The One, a healing journey by Jamaica HealthBox. Jamaica HealthBox has proudly worked to combine nature's most powerful remedies into life-changing solutions. We now present The One, a groundbreaking natural approach focused on supporting the body and dramatically reducing HIV and herpes numbers through a specialized raw diet and targeted natural supplementation. Our healing approach, raw diet commitment, follow a raw plant-based diet for at least 6 months, reduce cooked foods to a minimum, increase cucumber water consumption, emphasize green juices, low carbs, and no sugars, powerful herbal support, start with activated charcoal capsules, consume for 7 days to cleanse toxins, follow with CKLS, colon, kidney, liver, spleen formula for another 7 days. Then begin the One capsules. Take 7 capsules every other day to build and detox the body. Additional support, Stone Crusher from Jamaica to help break down unwanted buildups naturally. Lioness Ready or Line Ready, multivitamins to nourish and strengthen the body. Daily box supplements to maintain a high level of health throughout the cleanse. Lifestyle enhancements, low meat intake, if any at all. Increased rest, conscious breathing, and daily light exercise to boost your immune system and oxygenate your cells. Expected results. With serious commitment, users have seen drastic reductions in HIV and herpes numbers, along with major improvements in overall vitality, immunity, and peace of mind. This is a serious investment for a serious healing journey. We proudly combine ancient remedies from Jamaica and the Americas for the first time in history to naturally support the body in its fight against herpes and HIV and other viruses. Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.